Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for returning. If you are new here, my name is Tanya M, aka Diabla Verde. Okay, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You'll want to keep up with the amazing deals I give for hair and makeup. Also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So this hair that I am wearing right now is from a company called Diosa Hair. I have reviewed hair from them before. I think the last wig that was so popular on my channel, it was like Afro textured wig, was by Diosa Hair for mad cheap. Sold out, came back again, sold out, came back again, sold out, came back again, sold out. So we're gonna do the same with this one. Okay, this is a cheap slay for only, I think it was 80 something dollars. Okay, these baby hairs might be hella light because on some of the hair I accidentally bleached a few of the hairs in the front when I bleached the knots. So this is, I showed you the specs in the beginning. It is a lace frontal wig, so there's only lace in the front. I had a little lace in the back, but I don't really, you know, use the lace in the back. And it is 2 combs, one in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. I really didn't need to glue this down. I was so surprised when I went ahead and put the wig on with the straps adjusted. It laid flat. All I probably had to do was lay the baby hairs and I would have been gut. I would have been gut. Okay, so who is this? So yeah, I have to check this. I'm like, who ringing my phone? So yeah, this hair is nice. They took the bleach really well, so that was a pleasant surprise. I love the texture. I like a good loose curly wave. I styled her. I didn't show it. I had to take a phone call while I was styling my hair, so I just went ahead and finished styling it because I got things to do. Okay, sis. And so the hair, I styled it using, I sprayed it with water first, and then I put some Eco Styler gel on it, and that's how I styled her. Okay, so yeah, let me see. So let me talk about the hair before my edges dries. I like the hair. It's really soft. I don't know if it was because I was bleaching, but when I did wash the hair after I bleached it, it did have a little bit of shedding. I'm not gonna say it had a moderate amount of shedding. I'm not really getting that much anymore, so it could have been just because I bleached the frontal portion. So yeah, so this is the finished product. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. This hair is really nice. 12 inches long, and I did not have to pluck. The hairline came already like on point. You know, the hairline came already on point. I love a wig that I do not have to pluck. I don't like to pluck. You can either under pluck or over pluck. It's just a mess, and I usually always over pluck. So I be looking like I got boy edges. This is how she looks. Right, thank you for watching this slay. You can always find a link to the wig I talk about in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.